My name is Denise Spaan. I'm from the Netherlands, but I live and work in Mexico at the University of Veracruz, so Universidad Veracruzana. In Mexico, I work mostly with spider monkeys. Most of my research is focused on their conservation. The spider monkeys are socially very complex. So when we see 4 spider monkeys in the forest, that doesn't reflect that there's only 4. That's just the 4 that were there in that moment. There could be maybe 40. How could we count monkeys? A new research just came out by Serge and his collaborators, where they use drones. So instead of looking from down up, can we look from up going down? We called up Serge and his group and said, hey, do you think we can do this as well? And they came out and it worked. And so what we did is, instead of using a camera like the one that's on your cell phone, we used a thermal camera. And so when Ons contacted me a while ago and said, can we do this with lemurs? I thought, well, we can give it a try. I mean, if it's going to work, who knows? But it's worth trying. So that's how I got involved in this project. Is it working? Yes and no. And that's, I think, very normal when you work with this kind of technology. It works really well for some species, and it's more difficult for others. So the good thing is that we tried it with sifakas, and the footage is just wonderful. You can see the sifakas jumping from tree to tree or leaping. So far, we have not yet had so much success with the other lemur species we're finding here in Ranomafana. But that could also be simply because we need to do more testing, we need to do more flights. We're kind of really at the start. And hopefully more than only sifakas will show up, but so far really excited.